Here's the original Fidget Cube, and it's also known as a magic folding cube or Yoshimoto Cube, and I've made mine from Lego. Stay tuned and see how. So to make a Lego magic folding cube, you're going to need some Lego cubes. Now I've made my Lego cubes out of a 2x2 brick, a 2x2 plate and a 2x2 inverted plate. And these three pieces together make the perfect Lego cube. Now you're going to need 8 of these Lego cubes to get started, so let's just finish off the last one now. Okay, so there's our 8 Lego cubes. Now you can make them any size you want. I just chose to make something nice and small so it fits in your hand. So let's just grab the first 2 cubes and we'll just put a bit of sticky tape on there. Now to make the hinge strong, we want to flip it over and put a bit of tape on the other side. Okay, so now we'll put the next cube on. Just put it on the end here and pop a bit of tape on. Again, we'll flip that cube over and we'll just make it a stronger hinge by putting on another piece of tape. Okay, that should do. Now we'll just put on another cube and pop on a little bit of tape. Flip the cube over and we'll just make it a little bit stronger with another piece of tape. Okay, that's those 4 done. Now we'll just make another one of these. Start with the 2 Lego cubes, put a bit of tape on, flip the Lego cube over and put another piece of tape on. We'll just get another Lego cube at the end, pop a little bit of tape on. Just make sure you line the tape up so there's no pieces hanging over the edge. Then we just flip it over and we add another little bit of tape. Okay, we're almost done. We'll grab the last cube, line them up, put a piece of tape on, flip the cube over, and then put one more piece of tape on. Okay, so we're almost finished. Now we just get the 2 cube assemblies and we put them together. The sides that don't have any sticky tape. Then we just need to put on some sticky tape here and here to join them together. Again, we'll flip that over now. We'll just secure that hinge with another piece of tape. And there, that's the last piece. So the Lego Magic Folding Cube is finished. And this is what it looks like. And this is how it works. It can be hours of fun, and this was the original Fidget Cube idea. It was made back in 1971, and back then it was called a Yoshimoto Cube. But you can also use it for something else. People have used this cube design to make it into a folding photo cube. As you can see, there's lots of flat edges where you could cut up a photo and put it on each of the squares. And then when you fold the cube open, you see a different photo each time. Thanks to the Australian Lug for helping me with their cube design. And if you like this cool Lego idea, please like and subscribe.